Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create custom shortcuts in SketchUp and why using custom shortcuts can really improve your workflow. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Some shortcuts are already built into SketchUp. For example, pressing R activates the rectangle tool, P is for push pull, and Q is for rotate. But for some important tools like group, component, or hide rest of model, there are not default shortcuts. So if we look in here, we don't have any shortcut for group, and it's a good idea to create your own shortcuts. We don't have any shortcut for component as well. If we see in here, there isn't any shortcut for component. One very important and useful feature in SketchUp is hide rest of model. I use these tools when I want to focus on just one part of the project, because it hides all the other parts of the model so they don't get in the way. And this not only helps me stay focused, but it also keeps the project run more smoothly, especially when the model or when the project is heavy or complex. To create a custom shortcut, first go to the window menu, then click on preferences, then in here go to the shortcut section. In here we have to type the name of the command, for example group. Then in the field below, enter the shortcut key you want to, like the letter X. Just remember, you can only use the keys that aren't already assigned. For example, we cannot use P because it's already used for push-pull, and we have to use the letter X, and after that click the plus button to add it. Now if we want to group this box using the shortcut we just created, we first select the object, then press the X key, and it turns into a group. As you can see, SketchUp shows that the shortcut for group is now X, which wasn't there before. In large projects, when we want to focus on a specific part, like this dark section, it can be hard to keep track of it. Sometimes it disappears from view, or it becomes too small to work on it comfortably. That's why using hide rest of model is very helpful. It lets us isolate just the part we are working on and hide everything else. And using hide rest of the model from the view menu can be a bit difficult, especially if we need to toggle it on and off frequently while making changes. That's why it's a good idea to create custom shortcuts for it, just like we showed earlier. As you can see here, just by pressing the N key, the shortcut I created, I can easily turn hide rest of the model on or off. This makes it super easy to focus on any part of the project without distraction. And whenever you want to concentrate on a specific area or specific part of your project, you can use this shortcut to quickly hide everything else and keep working smoothly on your project. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.